guys maglakad. It's not so hot. We are under the tree. Ayan guys. Look at this guys. Napakakulimlim. Ang ganda ng place. What? I'm talking myself, sweetheart. I'm talking myself. China berry tree. Continue walking guys. Kahoy guys na natumba oh. Guys, nakahoy taas. Anahaw pa more. Ayan guys, hindi lang sa Philippines ang mayroon, dito rin mayroon. Ayan, anahaw. Ayan pa guys. Laki ng tree guys. Dito naman kami guys sa river. Ayan, kaalis lang nung nangingisda. Sexy ng ating sweetheart oh. Namamaywangan. Ayan guys. Oops. Ayan guys. Mainit na ang aming lakad. Kailangan namin nag-exercise kasi kung nasa bahay lang kami guys, boring. TV palagi, cellphone. Makalakad naman tayo para mabawasan yung ating calorie. Ganda dito guys oh. The tree. Ayan na guys, ang natumbang kahoy. Bago siya guys oh, namumulaklak. Ang anahaw. Ang ganda. Look at this guys. Oh. Ayan guys.
Careful when you that bite, that stings. That
Yeah,
one, that's a
mas
bee.
bite lang. Ooh, scary guys. It's looking some flower that you can eat.
Something to build a nest.
Oh my goodness. Oop. Sino gustong kumuha ng anahaw? Pang-atip natin. Ayan guys. Ayan na guys with the big turtle. Oops! Somewhere around. They can hear me. Ayan guys. Guys. Thanks for watching.